Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial where we'll be diving into the zoom effect in Filmora. It's a great technique that can add an extra dynamic touch to your videos. To get started, make sure you have Filmora opened and your clip prepared. First, navigate to the point where you want the zoom effect to begin. Split the clip at that point. Now, let's head over to the crop tool and select pan and zoom. This is where our zoom effect will start and end. Adjust the settings to your liking, based on how much you want to zoom in. When you play the clip, you'll notice that the zoom happens quite slowly. To adjust the speed, go back to the first part of the split clip and move about 5 to 10 frames forward, depending on your desired speed. Split the clip once again at this new point. Now, go back to the crop tool. Click on Swap Endpoints to reverse the zoom direction, then click on Crop in the upper left corner. Finally click OK. This will ensure that your zoom effect is applied accurately. To create a zoom out effect, simply follow the same steps. Navigate to the point where you want the zoom out to begin, split the clip, and open the crop tool. Adjust the settings for the endpoint of the zoom out effect. Again, move 5 to 10 frames ahead for the desired speed. Split the clip once more, and click on Swap Endpoints in the crop tool. Click Crop in the upper left corner and then OK. Now you have your zoom out effect set up, and there you have it. Creating zoom effects in Filmora is as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for future tutorials, and let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover.